Okay, so in this video, we're going to actually go over how to use Cox Wi-Fi on your PS5. Now, a lot of people are having this issue. What you basically need to do, you need to bypass, okay, the data cap that they have. So, first, you go ahead, you need to have at least, this $30 tender router from Amazon. You can search this up. And when you have this router, you turn it on, you enter the router management page. Of course, you can do this with your own router if it supports everything here. You go to Wi-Fi settings, you go to wireless repeating. Okay, make sure this one is enabled. You go ahead to WISP mode, and now what you do is you press the little refresh icon, and then you select Cox Wi-Fi. Now with Cox Wi-Fi chosen and selected, you now press save, and it will actually reboot. And once it reboots, you go ahead and reconnect to whatever your Tenda Wi-Fi network is. Once you're connected, you go ahead and sign in to the Wi-Fi network, enter your Cox username and password, and then you can go ahead and connect. Really that easy, right? You can do this on your PS5 as well. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.